See, ZenithOptimedia forecast says it's a 9% growth. Given the trends, we believe that there could be a positive lift in H2. As of now, we are cautious because if you look at the large advertiser sets like FMCGs or telecoms, there is a slowdown. That's for real, because there is an issue as far as the cost of goods are concerned. So that's something which worries us. Also, there is a certain amount of volatility and uncertainty in the market in various sectors like BFSI, real estate, automobiles. So that's why we are being cautious. As far as the growth drivers are concerned, we believe the government is going to do certain initiatives to try and get some amount of feel-good back into the market. So H2, we think there should be certain amount of stability coming back. People are also holding back currently for their Q4 results. All put together, we still think it will be settling in early double digits, if at all, and not more than that.
Okay, what are the main challenges that you see?
There are challenges both from a demand and a supply side. The price inflation as far as the consumers are concerned are real. So therefore, there will be certain slowdown in demands which are not really core or basic demand. As far as, so that's something which is going to hamper demand and therefore is going to hamper the marketing economy. That's basic. The other thing what will happen is that unlike last year, you do not have a World Cup. So therefore, as far as large impact properties which really mop up a lot of consumer passion and therefore mop up a lot of advertising spends, currently are few beyond the IPL. As of now, IPL is yet to drum up the sentiments what we have seen in the past years. So therefore, that's the reason we are saying that there is a certain amount of softening of sentiments.
Okay, 50% growth for digital. Do you think that's true?
Yeah, that's definitely an area where it will be growing. When I say it could be 40%, it could be 50%. What we are saying is, yes, definitely there is a robust growth. Having said that, it's still a very small share. What we have to be cognizant of that there is a certain amount of consumer behavior which is embracing this new media. We definitely think that in the mobile, especially in the voice, there is an opportunity which is still going untapped. So these are areas which we will be looking into in terms of growth.
Who will rule the roost in 2012 according to you?
See, I would think that television will outgrow print in terms of growth from a sheer point of view. While there is a very strong story of regional print, and that's not new, that's continuing for a while now. Having said that, I would think television will start looking at relatively more growth numbers than what you would have seen on print. That's my first take. The second one is, yes, as far as, and we would be really looking forward to the digital medium coming on its own. So that's something which is, because that to my mind will reflect a bigger, new, emerging truth. Well, that's something we are still ensconced in the comfort of our television and print, and in terms, because we are conditioned in certain amount of media. This is something which is going to go forward. And what will be interesting is, if the media houses who today are providing activation, who today are providing lots of experiences in small towns, if they start integrating with an idea-centric proposition, that's something, if media houses were to bring in something like which is an idea-led initiative supported by various of their platforms, that's something which is going to take off things. That's an opportunity area we would look forward to.